Madam, so after your small waist, after you got your small waist finished, because I realized you needed a small waist like mine, and you have achieved it. How far now? Because I realized you call yourself Queen of Ghana music, but none of your songs are hits.
Hello guys, and welcome back to another video. If it's your first time joining us and if you've not subscribed, kindly hit the subscribe button and the bell icon so you don't miss any update. Straight into the news today. Rosemond Brown, aka Akuapem Poloo, is in the news. Yes, Rosemond Brown has been off the radar for so long. You know, she used to heavily criticize a lot of celebrities, but after a while, I think some months ago, she decided to lay low and then stop that. But now she has officially announced that she's back and she's going bigger, better, and harder. Now her latest subject is Ghanaian singer Wendy Shay. Okay, now Rosemond Brown has gone out to attack Wendy Shay for claiming that she is the queen of GH music. Now, according to Akuapem Poloo, Wendy Shay is focusing too much on her body and her waist. Her manager is trying the best to push her so that she can go international, but she's just local. Her songs do not make any impact on the international market, according to Akuapem Poloo, and so she's advising her to focus more on the music and forget about her body. And also, she's also saying that she should avoid calling herself the queen of GH music, because Ghanaian singer Becca is the actual queen, looking at her achievements and other considerations. Guys, I don't want to talk too much. The video is here. It will play very shortly, but don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the bell icon and like this video as well. See you in the next video.
Yes, Akuapem Poloo, I'm back. I realized that when I went off, a lot of people were misbehaving. Yes, calling themselves Queen of Ghana music and blah 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 blah. Madam, so after your small waist, after you got your small waist finished, because I realized you needed a small waist like mine, and you have achieved it. How far now? Because I realized you call yourself Queen of Ghana music, but none of your songs are hits. Whenever you produce a song, you have to create controversy on it before. All this blah 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 radio interview thing that was going around, I know it was set up just to promote your new song, because you can't do a hit song. Let's speak the truth, your songs are not hits. I can see your manager is pushing for you, but it's not going. Stop calling yourself Queen of Ghana music, because Becca is there, and that lady, her songs are hits. Right now, what I want you to do is sit your manager down. Tell him you want to go international. At least you've done the Ghana market. So someone like Tiwa Savage, the African musicians are there. Try and do a collabo. And stop focusing on your body. Stop focusing on your body, because we have big bodies. So we have big bodies. You are focusing on your body too much, which I don't even see it. You get me? We have most of the bodies there. Stop focusing and focus on the music you are doing, and stop calling yourself Queen of the Ghana music, because please, when it comes to the Queen of Ghana music, Becca is there. Go and check on her songs and the collaborations she has done. Work hard and stop doing the tobe, because to me, all your songs are not hits. Whenever you drop a new song, you try to create a controversy, pay and create a controversy, blah blah blah. Please, I'm telling the truth, and you know that's the fact. I love you. Thank you.